I'm back and we're gonna go at this again because I've got that other piece of filet mignon left over that I'm doing. Now I've refined a couple of things. First of all, we're not doing anything other than salt. No onion powder. And what we've got is this piece, which I took out of the fridge over an hour ago. And what I did is I covered the plate with salt and then just rubbed the whole thing into it. So that made coating it all with salt much easier, and then flipped it and of course and rubbed the other side. Right now I'm heating the pan and the oven, getting them good and hot, and I'm only going to sear it for 1 minute, but I'm going to do it under pressure with this nifty press thing, sandwich press. So I'm going to sear it up real quick and then go to the oven after 1 minute on each side and do it for 5 minutes, and I think I'm going to get an even better result here. And it's got to be better because it's not going to have onion powder all over it, and it's not going to have any garlic on it either. I'm sorry, you garlic lovers, I don't need anything on my steak except salt. I wish I could have butter. If I could have butter, boy, I'd be basting this or doing that searing stuff in butter, because I know that would help. In fact, one of the recipes I saw in the interview, they actually served the steak at the end with a big dollop of butter on the steak. And I have done that a long time ago, back when I was young and I could eat anything. But boy, that looked yummy, but I thought, that's really pushing it. Anyway, so there we go. That's what's going to happen, and we'll see what the results are. Okay, here we go. This has been heating up for 5 minutes. I got some oil in there. And I put some salt in the pan, and I'm now gently, well, not so gently, putting the steak in there, hitting the timer, 1 minute, put it on the press. Okay, the camera battery died when it came time to flip, but I flipped it at 1 minute. It's been in there just about 1 minute now. And we're going to go with it. Okay, we're looking good and brown. So we now take this, we'll look at that. You see, okay. And get up here a little bit. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, and into there for 5. Okay, less than a minute to go, seconds to go, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, I don't know what. Ready with the catcher's mitt. I love these pot holders that you just slip your hand in. Much more usable than the other type. Whoops, here we go. Okay, off, pull, yank. Okay, check temperature. Stop, stop, shut up. Okay, check temperature. Current through 130. Just barely making it to 130, so it's going to be rare. That's good. I'm going to go with that. Okay, and we shall now take it over and set it on the plate and cover it with the aluminum foil and let it set for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. We're ready for the unveiling. This camera shop seemed to work yesterday. And there it is. Ooh, boy, it's leaking juice. All right, good. Now this one's the same thickness throughout, so there's no thin end. And there, ooh wee, look at that, baby. Look at that. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Here. Okay, you can all sit at home and drool. Look at that. That is a steak. Oh, baby. That's as good as it gets. That's the way it goes. Ah. There we go. There we go. We've done it. Judd is a success. Judd can cook. That's a filet mignon. Happy day to you. Oh my God, this thing is so tender, it's like drinking a steak. Unbelievable.